Hi guys, it's Hi-Fi Trainer. In this video, I'm going to teach you about more HTML tags in continuation with the last HTML tag we learned about, like header tags. So let's go into the video. Let's start with the language tag. The language tag specifies what the page's language is about. We write that beside the opening HTML tag. We write lang is equal to, and I'm writing English UK. So this is how a language tag looks like. Let's run it and see how it looks like. And there's no difference. This is because you can't see what the language is about. It's just for the computer and the people who look in inspect to see what the language is about. Sometimes you can also translate the language. So that's language tag. Now let's see how the anchor tag works. This is how an anchor tag looks like. And to give a link to any website, you can write href is equal to, for example, let's write Hi-Fi Trainer, and then we have to give a description, and if you click the description, we have to make this website appear. Let's write Hi-Fi Trainer official website. And now let's save and run it, and let's see what happens. So we click this and nothing happened. I wantedly made the mistake because I added 2 of the apostrophes here. So we take out one of the apostrophe and let's see how it works. There, let's click that, and it's directing to the Hi-Fi Trainer website. So this is how a href tag works. Let's try some more websites by seeing how it works. So let's see Google. Let's copy it and paste it right here. Save. And then let's launch in. So here we have actually let's change this to the world's best website. So here we have it, and let's click on that, and now it redirects us to google.com. and this is how the href tag works. And the anchor tag would not just work for websites, it also works for images, which I'm going to be teaching in the next video. Let's try another type. Let's try YouTube. So this is the YouTube link. Control-C. Save, and let's run launching Chrome. And it doesn't work because this is not the YouTube's actual URL. If you want to see YouTube's actual URL, you go to the actual page of YouTube, which includes the HTTPS. You Control C it, Control C, and now let's paste it here. And as you can see, there's a difference from the last one and this one. And now let's click on it, and it redirects us to YouTube. So that is how it works. So now you learned about href and language. Now let's see how you can list list many things you have to purchase and a bill or something using two different tags to list stuff. Let's start with OL tag, which means ordered list. In ordered list, you write OL and then you write the list you want it. The list you want. So let's write milk, eggs, and pizza. And now let's send the li tag, which we learned in the last lesson. And if you saw the last video, you would know that we, while ending a tag, we use the slash right here. And we use it for most of the ending tags, including the ordered list. Now let's save it and let's run and let's see how it comes. 1 milk, 2 eggs, 3 pizza. Here we didn't even write 1, 2, 3. We just wrote li milk li, and it comes like this. Li means line, list. So then if you want to start this from like number 50, 100, etc., you just keep start is equal to this happen 2 apostrophes and this symbol. So then let's write 50 there. Save and let's run and launch in Chrome. So then it didn't work. So let's see why it didn't work. As you can see, now it works. So I did that wantedly to make you understand that not all the tags should and in most of the tags you have to not end the main tag to write more text after it, more programming after it. So that is how it works. Now you might be thinking, what's the difference of OL tag and the other tag? The other tag is known as UL tag, and let's end it with the UL tag. So let's have the same ingredients there, and let's launch in Chrome. So difference here, here it starts with like 1, 2, 3. Here it has bullet points. So that's the difference of ordered list and unordered list. That's why it starts like UL. U is unordered and L is list. So that is how a OL tag and a UL tag works. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe and turn on the notifications bell to get notified whenever I upload another video.